Welcome back to the garage. We're gonna be working on one of my friend's cars today, and for that we're gonna need the welder. After a long, treacherous commute, I managed to make it all the way to Bobby's house, which is a whole 2 houses down from where I live. And we are gonna be working on is whatever this thing is. What is this thing?
It's a fully swapped 05 Magnum wagon swapped from a 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack.
What?
05 Magnum swapped with a 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It is a full swap build. Thanks to Mike for coming out, taking his time of the day, help me get the fenders done.
He thinks I know what I'm doing. We're just figuring it out as we go along. So don't tell him that. Nope, nothing. I figured I would have got something out of him for that. So we're gonna be working on the fenders. He's grafting together. This is a fender from what?
Magnum.
From Magnum. Isn't this?
We blended it with a Scat Pack fender.
Okay, so this is the Magnum fender that came with the car itself, the Magnum wagon. And this is from a Scat Pack Charger.
This is the Scat Pack Charger outline fender here. This is the 05 Magnum fender. So we can blend it in to get the Charger effect in the front.
Cool. Subtle, my way of doing things. I know he's got some major plans for this bad boy. Unfortunately, the biggest problem he has right now is there's no motor. It's currently sitting in pieces in the garage, and unfortunately, some very unfortunate parts of disarray. But hey, we gotta start somewhere. And saving his pennies, he's gonna get himself a twin turbo Hemi.
Most definitely.
I've already seen the turbos. I might cry a little bit when I have to help him install them, but hey, it's gonna get done.
The interior is already done, just one step at a time.
Interior's done? What? No? Well, I wasn't sure if it was gonna break or not. He's already changed the handles too, so we're gonna have to work on doing something about filling this in too to get himself some smooth cut handles instead of what they used to be. Some big brake rotors. Look at this thing. It's clean. This could be an awesome build. So have you ever done anything like this before?
First time.
First time? Ever welded before at all?
Nope.
Not stick, MIG, nothing? You ever used grinders before?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like in this way though?
No.
Nope, no. Other than just cutting stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cutting, that's about it.
Right, cool. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. And I want to give people opportunities on this channel. And I want Bobby to learn to do this because I know he wants to learn how to do this. So that way he can build better, awesome cars, just like you guys and myself. And I have toys that I like to share. All good? All right, cool. Let's start burning stuff. Setting stuff on fire. That's what we do here. Like what most people think, this type of stuff is a long, slow process. We will spend the better part of the day making sure this lines up correctly. So, hope you're in for it. You're gonna be a little bit darker than when you started today. But this is a very long, slow process to do this correctly. Look at my boy go. What he doesn't know is he's gonna be graded on this after we're done. Dang, you think this guy is professional? Look at this. Oh, except maybe over there. I'm not sure what he did over there. What happened over there, Bobby?
Cut too much away.
You're too rigid, man. It's too rigid. It's gotta get used to doing the YouTube life. Looks good. Just series of tacks, everything all lined up. Now starting doing all the finish work here. How are you enjoying the process so far?
Learning a lot and I'm liking it.
Liking it? You're gonna pay someone to do the other fender over there, or are you gonna?
I'm gonna do it myself.
All right. He knows where to find the tools now. Ah, whoop. Getting it done. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe not so pretty here, but grinder work. That's what grinders are for. Making this look good. Had to hammer that down. Did a good job. I don't know if it's my teaching skills that's getting him what he's got to go, or if he's just naturally good at it. I'm not going to tell him that, but hey. Not pretty, but she is now one piece. We made a few mistakes along the way, but it's fine. We figured it out as we go. Burned myself a few times. Bobby burned me a few times. It's funny, he didn't get hurt at all. But apparently I did. By the way, it's good. Bobby did a great job. I give him a C+.
Yeah, at least I got a rating.
Okay, it's not falling off. We're good. It wins. May not be the prettiest, but you know what? How many other people got that? Like 4 in the country. Maybe it'll be number 5.
Well,
It works. Day 2 of working on the Magnum here. What Bobby doesn't know is he's been doing this fender himself. At least, man, I'm gonna help him with a few little things. I want him to really learn how to do this himself, so give him some guidelines. He raised it one, now we're on doing the second one. She's not pretty, but she is one piece. This one fought us kind of hard, but I'm gonna wrap this video up because you guys can see the weather is turning pretty bad really fast and we're about to get rained on. So thanks for watching. Until next time, peace. Go work on your own car. Just in time. Just starting to drizzle. You know, water and electricity is not exactly the best thing you can mix. You know, kind of not okay. All right, later. Bye.